เบิ้ลสิโอไหมไม่ซีเดินแฮงHi there! Welcome back to Speak Thai Possible. Learn Thai the way it's really spoken. Today I'm teaching you 5 English words that Thai people usually use them, but maybe you don't even notice it that it's English because we shorten them. Like in the example, เบิ้ลสิโอไหมไม่ซีเดินแฮงAlright, let's have a look word by word and I will explain how to use them. Word number 1, bêrn. Bêrn. Bêrn is from double, but we say it bêrn, bêrn with N sound as a final consonant. The reason that we don't say bull because in Thai language we don't use L sound as a final consonant, so we say bêrn, bêrn. Yes, it means double, but how can we use it? For example, your friend asks you หิวมากใช่ไหมหิวมากใช่ไหม Are you hungry so much? เบิ้ลสิเบิ้ลสิ Your friend is telling you go for the second round, eat double, go for the second dish. เบิ้ลสิเบิ้ลสิ And with the word bêrn, we actually use it for such a conversation when you want to tell someone to go for the second dish. So you say เบิ้ลสิ or you can also say วันนี้หิวมาก Today I'm so hungry ฉันจะเบิ้ล or ฉันจะเบิ้ล2 จาน I'm going to go for the second dish ฉันจะเบิ้ล2 จาน or just ฉันจะเบิ้ล It's the same meaning I'm going for the second dish Next word o is a short form from okay. For example, when someone asks you โอไหมโอไหม it is it okay? And you can also answer โอนะโอนะ or ก็โอนะก็โอนะ It's quite okay. For example, แจ็คเก็ตตัวนี้โอไหมแจ็คเก็ตตัวนี้โอไหม Is this jacket beautiful? Okay, good. สวยดีก็โอนะ Beautiful. It's quite okay. You will mostly hear teenagers or young adults use such a phrase. Oh my, instead of okay my. Next word, ไม่ซีไม่ซีไม่ is no or not. See cat? No, it's not that see. See here is from serious. So ไม่ซี is not serious or I'm not serious. Thai probably use a word serious in a different context or a different meaning than a native speaker. For example, I owe my friend 120 baht. I tell her, ฉันติดเงินแก120 but now I have only 100 baht, so I tell her มี100 เดียว Then my friend answer 100 เดียวก็พอไม่ซี Only 100 is enough. I'm not serious. For Thai people, ไม่ซี here, it means it's okay, I don't mind, it's alright. Only 100 is enough, it's alright, I don't mind. You may hear it often used with ยังไงก็ได้ไม่ซียังไงก็ได้ It's okay, whatever, it's alright, I don't mind, whatever. ไม่ซียังไงก็ได้ or ไม่ซีตอนไหนก็ได้ไม่ซีตอนไหนก็ได้ It's alright, I don't mind, whenever you can. Next word, dêrn. Dêrn. What is dêrn? Dêrn, it's from modern. when someone say มันเดินมากมันเดินมาก it means it's very modern but it's not only mean modern for Thai people when we say มันเดินมาก it can also mean it's very cool it's very fashionable for example if I say ฉันซื้อ iPad ใหม่มา I bought a new iPad เขียนก็ได้วาดรูปก็ได้เขียนก็ได้วาดรูปก็ได้ I can write I can draw มันเดินมาก so มันเดินมาก here means it's very cool and it's also modern last word of today hang maybe you can guess what it means hang it's from hangover but Thai people just say hang for hangover Thai word of hang you can say เมาค้าง you know เมา means drunk so เมาค้าง means hangover or just say hang for example เมื่อคืนปาร์ตี้ถึงตี 3แฮงมากวันนี้ yesterday I did the party until 3 a.m. in the morning today I'm so hungover alright that's all 5 words for today let's recap one more time 1 burn means double burn สิ go for the second round วันนี้จะ burn today I'm going to go for second dish or I will eat 2 dishes โอไหม is it okay ก็โอนะ it's quite okay ไม่ซี I'm not serious or actually it means I don't mind I don't care it's okay เดิน from modern มันเดินมาก it's modern it's cool last hang from a hangover alright try to use them and thank you so much if you are new to my channel don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon not to miss my next video thank you so much for today ขอบคุณค่ะ bye